In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print pages from Affinity Designer. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and bringing up the document you want to print. It's a good idea to save your work first so any last-minute edits are captured. Next, head to the menu bar at the top left and open the File menu. From there, choose Print to open the Print dialog. This is where you'll set everything up. At the top of the dialog, pick your printer. If you have multiple printers or a PDF printer installed, make sure the correct device is selected. If you don't see it, check that it's powered on and connected to the same network. Once the device is selected, enter how many copies you need. For a first run, it's smart to start with a single copy to verify layout and colors before committing to a full batch. Now fine-tune what gets printed. Choose the range to print, all pages or artboards, just the current one, or a specific range. This is especially handy if your project has multiple artboards and you only want a subset. Then pick the fit type. Use actual size when your document and paper size match and you want precise scale. If the paper is different, choose a fit or scale option so the content lands neatly within the printable area. Keep an eye on the preview to confirm nothing is clipped. Under Include, decide whether to add things like crop marks or bleed. These are useful for professional trimming or when handing files to a print shop, but you can leave them off for quick in-house prints. Set the orientation to portrait or landscape to match your design. If the preview shows unexpected rotation or cropping, switching orientation usually fixes it. Finally, select the paper size. Pick the size your project was designed for, such as letter, A4, or any custom size your printer supports. Choosing the correct size helps maintain scale and margins. If you plan to print edge to edge, select a borderless size supported by your printer. Otherwise, allow for standard margins so nothing important sits too close to the edge. Take a final look at the preview to ensure the range, scale, marks, orientation, and paper size all align with your intent. When everything looks right, your print setup is complete and you're ready to produce your pages straight from Affinity Designer.